Hey guys, welcome to the MCAT preparation question series. We'll be looking at question 4 in the series. So as usual, pause at this point, have a look through the question and see how far you can actually get up to in this particular question. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the first rugby ball in black ink right here. And its volume is actually given by pi m squared n. And then I've got the second rugby ball that has a volume of pi u squared v. Now in the second line it says the volume of the second ball is half of the volume of the first ball, which means I take the volume of the first ball, which is the black one, and then I multiply it by half to get the volume of the second one. Now the third line, it actually says, I'm talking about it here, its length v is twice the length n of the first ball, which means we also know that v could actually be written as 2 times n. So what we're then going to do is we're going to prove, we know that these two equations are equal to each other, and then what we can do is we can substitute v and then find formula for m in terms of u. So what we have is we've got the black ball first, which is going to be pi m squared n multiplied by half, and that should equal to pi u squared v. But here's the thing, we know that v is equal to 2n, so I can actually replace that in the next line. So I'm going to write this as pi m squared n multiplied by half equal to pi u squared, and instead of v I'm going to write 2n. Now expanding the brackets, I should end up with, so on this side I'm doing nothing yet so far, pi m squared n times half equals 2 pi u squared n. Okay, so now it's just a matter of rearranging things, and then let's see what happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch half to the other side. So what will end up happening is you've got pi m squared n equals 2 pi u squared n, and when half comes to the other side it's becoming multiplied by 2. So put that in a different color so you guys can see that. So then you have pi m squared n equals 4 pi v squared n. So I want m by itself, which means I need to take pi n to the other side, which means it'll get divided. And now I can see the common factors. So basically pi disappears, n disappears, and I'm left over just with m squared equals 4v squared. And this of course can be, when you take square root of it, I need one more line here. So we can write m squared equals 4v squared. So therefore m is equal to square root of 4v squared, which means m is equal to 2v. Alright guys, that's basically it for this short little video. Thank you for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.